Hey guys, long time no see and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the video title, today I'm going to do a first impression / review on a brand new released kind of like makeup product, beauty product, eyeshadow palette, however you want to call it, which is this Play Color Eyes mini kit. This is from a brand called Etude House, which is a very famous Korean makeup brand. And the most interesting and exciting thing about this mini kit is that this is crossed over with the world famous Nestle KitKat chocolate bar. So when I saw it online, I was like, oh my god, I have to get it, which means that I already broke my 2019 no buy rules. So anyway, if you want to see what it looks like on the inside, how it swatches and how it works on my eyes, please keep on watching. This collection comes with two eyeshadow palettes. This one I got is the original one. They also have another one which is called Strawberry Tiramisu. I couldn't get my hand on that one because when I ordered this online, that one's already sold out. But when I saw on pictures, the Strawberry Tiramisu one is actually a cool tone brown pinky kind of eyeshadow palette. This one on the other hand is a warm tone brown reddish gold kind of eyeshadow palette. So they're very different and I just can't wait to look at it in person, in product. You know what I mean. So let's open it. I know it comes with a makeup bag, which, oh my god, it's so cute. This is another reason why I really want to get this mini kit, because of the makeup bag. Oh my god, this is so cute. And oh, it's actually really good quality. It feels really velvety. It's not that kind of like cheap makeup bag that's really plasticky. It's really thick and it feels really nice. Inside, it's just a normal makeup bag. I think this will make a really nice everyday like to go makeup bag because it's not like really big and it's just a decent size basically. Oh, I didn't know that. I also have a real KitKat chocolate bar. This is, I think there are two in there. I think I'm gonna save it and have it when I'm gonna take a break, have a KitKat during editing later. So let's put this aside as well and dig into the real eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. This is much smaller than what I expected, and this is way more smaller comparing to the makeup pouch, which, look, this is the size of the makeup pouch and this is the size of the eyeshadow palette. This is really small. I have a really small hand and it's basically smaller than the palm of my hand, so this is really small. So this is what the actual eyeshadow palette looks like. The packaging is so cute and it is not very cheap comparing to the price. It actually has some weight in it, so the quality is actually quite nice feeling. So let's see what the eyeshadow looks like. Ooh. It comes with a mirror and a plastic thingy with the shade name in it. Oh my god, look at it. It's pretty. I'm so upset because I just accidentally dipped my finger on this really pretty red eyeshadow here. As you can see, all eyeshadows had the KitKat engraved word on top, so apparently I just ruined it. I'm so upset. Anyway, it had 6 eyeshadows with 3 matte, 2 shimmer and 1 satin, which is the one that I ruined. Clumsy me. All shade names are on this plastic, which I don't understand because it's all in Korean. And the mirror on this palette is actually quite decent. The quality is really nice actually. And so this will make a really nice travel palette with the really natural kind of brown and the compact decent size and also the good quality mirror. Yeah, when I ordered it online, I always wondered if it smells like chocolate, just like the Too Faced chocolate palettes. So let's have a sniff together. Oh, it does. It doesn't smell like KitKat, but the scent reminds me of those kids toys, like those kids dolly that smells like chocolate, or those like pen that smells like chocolate. That is what it smells like. It's actually quite nice. It's sweet and sweet. And yeah, the shadow looks really nice on pan. I don't know what it looks like when swatching. So I just showed you the finger swatch and also the brush swatch of these 6 eyeshadows. I would say that this eyeshadow is actually quite nice. The 3 matte one, they're a bit powdery. When I dip my brush on them, there are quite lots of kickback. But the shimmer and also the satin ones, they're actually quite nice. They feel really velvety, buttery and soft. Performance wise, most eyeshadows from Asian beauty brands tend to not be as pigmented as those from American and European beauty brands. I don't know why. Maybe it's the culture, maybe it's the makeup habits of those makeup users in Asia. Yeah, in Asia the majority of people don't really put bright eyeshadow color on their eyes. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know why. So yeah, I think this palette is actually quite nice so far. So now we're gonna see how it performs on my actual eyes with actual different kind of like makeup brushes and tools. So yeah. So this is my finished makeup look. Do you like it? Is it pretty? I used all 6 of the eyeshadows to do my eye makeup except for the inner corner because I can't find a light enough highlight to do my inner corner here in this palette. So I used my own highlighter to do it here. So since I used all 6 of the eyeshadow palettes, all 6 of the eyeshadows in this palette, I have some new thoughts on these shadows. These 4 eyeshadows, like the brown and the nude color here, they're actually really nice. The nude color here is really close to my skin tone, so I use it to blend out the crease color. Basically, it's a really nice blending out color for me. And the brown, I put it on my crease, my outer corner here. They're actually really nice. They're really easy to work with, really easy to blend out. And when you apply it together, they don't get muddy and you can build it up to a heavier brown color. However, the gold shimmery color here is actually quite disappointing because it looks really nice on the pan, but when I apply it on my eyelid, it doesn't really stick. Like when I applied it using a dry brush, there's only a few glitter stick on my eyelid here, so I wet it with Fix Plus, but instead of giving me a shimmery gold eyeshadow color, it's almost like some gold glitter just like stick together, making a bigger gold color glitter chunks, if that makes sense. So this gold color is a bit disappointing for me. And the red, I use it on my lower eyelash area. It looks quite nice, like the color is exactly the same as here, as you can see, but when I applied it on top of other eyeshadows, it doesn't really show up at all. And I also applied some red eyeshadow here using a fluffier brush. As you can see, it doesn't really show up as well, so I don't know, it just doesn't really stick on my eyelid when it's like mixing it with other eyeshadows, if that makes sense. So all in all, I think I'll give this kit a 3. Actually, I'll give it a 4 stars out of 5, because like this eyeshadow palette is really cute. It makes a really nice travel size eyeshadow palette. The color combination here is really good. You can work from like a really simple brown everyday light makeup to like a darker, more glamorous kind of eyeshadow look. Even though these two colors doesn't work, I mean they don't work as good as I thought they would be, you can still make them work. Like, I mean, it's not that bad, right? Yeah, also it comes with a really cute makeup bag. Like, I mean, I love this bag. I just and also a pack of KitKat with the price. This is actually really nice. So yeah, this is the end of my video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.